Hi, I'm Glenn Everett, Master of Machines. We're at Walt Disney World Speedway in Orlando, Florida. That's right, it's NASCAR time. And I'll be undertaking a Richard Petty driving experience. This is where people just like you can come off the street and get to drive a real NASCAR. Firstly, we'll be going through a driver's briefing, some theory, and we'll learn the ins and outs of these NASCARs, how they work and how to drive them. Then we get to do 8 laps in anger with an instructor around this racetrack. These cars here aren't full-blown NASCARs, but they still are the real deal. They're tamed back a little to 6,500 RPM instead of the normal 9,500 to 10,000, but they've still got a whopping 600 plus horsepower. So it's time to stop talking and get into the action. I've done drag racing, I've done road or circuit racing, but I've never raced a NASCAR before, or even sat in one. So this is going to be a very, very interesting experience. Drag racing, yeah, there's a lot of skill involved, but it is effectively in a straight line. It's about hooking up and keeping that car straight. Road racing, there's corners, left and right, accelerating, braking. There's so much involved in processing that in the mind. But don't think that NASCAR will be an easy deal. They're high-speed, oval tracks like this one right here. This is a tri-oval, so it has 3 very long straights. The cars are actually biased to turn one way. They don't need to turn left or right in an oval situation. We're talking about 600 plus horsepower here and around about 3,400 pounds weight of this vehicle. Big, slick tyres, so they're a big, heavy beast and they really do need to be manhandled. Think about this too, at high speeds. You lose that car, you get a bit out of shape, a bit loose, hit a bump, something like that, you could be off into the wall in no time and destroy the car and look pretty silly. That is something I'm not about to do. I'm going to get 8 laps here, I'm going to give it the best shot, and I'm going to go out and I'm going to have a ball. Well viewers, it's time for some NASCAR action. We've got Eddie here, my instructor. Let's get out and hit the track.
Right, let me go ahead and start you up here again. Glenn, give it a little gas. Hold it there, 2,000.
Yeah.
Go ahead and put it in first gear. All the way left and up, very good.
Got a decent camshaft.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Still good power at that sort of RPM.
They've got about 650.
And that's at what, 6,500, 7,000, is it?
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah. They turn them to what, 9,500, 10?
On the newer ones, yes.
Big ones, yeah.
Go ahead and gas it up.
Yep. We're right to go, are we?
We're good to go, Glenn. Once we clear the cone, out to the center right. There we go. Gas it up. Gas it up. Go to second gear, Glenn. Gas it up. Third gear. Copy. Around the left, down to the base of the access road. Just kind of maintain your speed right there. Let him go by. All right, squeeze into the gas, Glenn. And go to fourth gear. And foot off the clutch, flat on the floor. Follow this white line all the way over here to the orange cone, outside wall to the right. At the cone, off the gas, go up the hill between the 2 gates, stay off the gas, down between the second 2 and to the left, all the way to the white line. All the way to the white line to the left. At the double cone, you'll squeeze back into the gas. You'll move up the hill, aim for that orange cone outside wall, put you right between your gates, and all the way off the gas, all the way to the left, white line. Pick it up and maintain there, Glenn. Double cones, green, gas it up. Over to the right, green flag is in the air, at the cone, off the gas, and slowly down to that white line. Put the left side tires on the white line and keep them there. Pick it up and maintain. Double cones, gas it up, Glenn. Gas it great, Glenn. Keep it up.
I'm getting the hang of it. I'm getting the hang of it. Just loaded the track.
All the way off. And slowly down to that white line. Keep it all the way down. Wait on your double cone next to the turns. Gas it up.
I can't believe the traction in this thing.
Yeah. Come on over to the right there. Very good. At the cone. All the way off the gas. Go up the hill. Stay up. Slowly down. Keep it on the white line now. Keep it on the white line. Gas it up. Gas it up to the right. And all the way off. To the left. White line. Wait on your cones. Gas it up. Gas it up all the way to the single. Next time by, we're going to take checkered flag, Glenn. So gas it up. Back to the right. All the way out to the right again. At the single orange cone. All the way off. Go up the hill. Stay up. Up, up, up. And slowly down to that white line. Keep it on the white line. Wait on your cones. Gas it up. Gas it up to the right again. And all the way off to the left. White line. Double cones. Gas it up. Checker flags in the air, Glenn. Great job. Off the gas.
That was great fun.
Thanks for coming up, man. Off the gas.
Thanks for looking after me.
All the way down there. We're going to all the way to the left to the green grass on the left, Glenn. All the way down to the left.
Yep.
All right. What'd you think, man?
That was great.
You enjoy that?
It's like anything, you've got to be able to dial into it. But it's good to have you in the car to give me a bit of a gauge. It's quite a tricky part of the track there where it's got that rise.
Exactly.
I reckon that would bring a lot of people unstuck.
Yep. You don't know where you're going till you get to the top there.
Well, it's sort of, the car can become very light probably over that, and I bet a lot of people have ended up in that wall.
They test it out here. You'll see it occasionally during testing. There we go. All the way up now. We're going to stop with the nose of the car parallel with that cone. And right there. Good deal. Glenn, thanks so much.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure meeting you, man.
Well, that was absolutely fantastic. I couldn't believe it out there. I tell you what, it's not as easy as it looks. It's very easy to put this car into the wall, but the traction and the power, unbelievable. There are certain parts of the track that are a little undulating as well. I reckon you could get yourself in some serious trouble if you got a little bit too brave without enough time on the track. So, Eddie, thanks very much. You're a great instructor, mate. That was awesome. Thank you very, very much. That was awesome. I've had an absolute ball here at this Richard Petty driving experience. Now do yourself a favour. If you're ever holidaying in the USA, get yourself along to one. They have them all over various racetracks all around the country. Thanks for watching, and we'd really appreciate it if you'd like and comment on this video. And be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notifications bell because there's a lot more content coming your way.